With just a few simple steps, you can combine your Wi-Fi and your USB tethered Android connection on your Windows PC to get a better, faster, more reliable internet for your browsing, streaming, or video calls. And I'm here to show you how. You'll need, well, a Windows PC with a Wi-Fi connection and a working mobile data plan on your Android that you can share through tethering, a USB cable that can connect it to the PC, and the Speedify app. First, make sure to download and install Speedify on your PC. You can get it from speedify.com/download. Then, connect to Wi-Fi on your PC. When you go to the network icon down the taskbar, you'll see the Wi-Fi here. You got to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on, that you're on a hotspot. If you're not, you just click on the hotspot you want, put in the passcode, click enter, and you'll get connected. Next, you'll need to tether your Android phone to your PC. Now, people use tethering to either mean creating a hotspot on your phone or connecting with a wire. In our case, I'm connecting with a USB cable from the PC to the Android phone. On the Android phone, then you go into settings and you make sure that cellular data is on. You go to hotspot and tethering, so you can turn on USB tethering. When you enable USB tethering for the first time on the PC, you might receive a networks pop-up asking you to allow your PC to be discoverable. Click yes to allow your PC to receive USB tethered data. The Android. You like this video so far? Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, Speedify how-tos, and our weekly office hours live stream where we answer your tech questions live. So, back on the PC, we're going to run the Speedify app. And if you're not connected, you click switch in the top right. Makes you connect to a server. And as soon as you do, you will see each of the connections. So I've got my main Wi-Fi, and now I have the Ethernet, which is the tethered phone on the AT&T wireless. So I've got two connections, Wi-Fi and USB tethered mobile data using the magic channel bonding Speedify for improved reliability, speed, and security. One thing to warn you about Android devices, if they're on Wi-Fi, sometimes they decide to make the tethered connection just go out the Wi-Fi instead of cellular. In that case, if that's happening, you'll see the same ISP twice in a row here in this table, and that's a big hint, right? You'd see Comcast cable and Comcast cable again. It seems like the only option is to turn off the Wi-Fi on your Android phone in order to force it to use cellular, to give cellular your PC if that happens. But there's a solution to that complexity. It's called Speedify's pair and share feature that allows you to add even more connections into the mix wirelessly for an even faster bonded connection. You can leave the Wi-Fi on in your phone, just connect to the same Wi-Fi network the PC's on, get your friends to do the same, get their phones, connect to the same wireless network, and then you run Speedify on both the phones and the PCs, and you can then pair your devices so you can get additional cellular connections wirelessly to enjoy an even faster, more reliable online experience. That's it. Hope it helps. And now that you know how to combine your Wi-Fi with your USB tethered Android phone on a PC, check out our other video about Speedify's in-app performance tests, because we explain how you can test not only your combined speeds, but whether your connections can handle a live stream all within the Speedify app.